Well, I'm behind City Hall in Taunton, and this week marks the beginning of the demolition of the original City Hall portion in the back of the building, which is going to be rebuilt, redesigned. You can see the excavation equipment out here. They've already torn down that large rear portion, which dates back to about 1848. That was the original City Hall. They're keeping the front portion, which was erected in 1896, which is a granite structure. So they're going to be collecting all this, removing it over the next 2.5 weeks. This is a $25 million project estimated right now to rebuild City Hall and get city offices and the mayor's office back downtown. The building's been closed since August 2010, since an arson fire in this attic. So it took that long to get this project going, but as you can see, they're making headway. He just gave me a look because I don't have any official headgear on, but I'll keep my distance. There we go. Church Green, Summer Street.